Collectiv is the leading Microsoft consulting partner for helping enterprises leverage data to make better decisions. Architecture, analytics, and AI are intrinsically linked. You can't have one without the other.
You have to set your foundation with your data architecture. On top of that, you can do all of your data modeling and your business logic and all of your additional analytics and insights. Once those two are set, you can really take advantage of AI and machine learning models to provide additional insights on top of your data. This is really the trifecta of your enterprise data strategy.
Collectiv is your enterprise partner for all three elements, whether it be on the architecture side, the analytics piece, or the AI, or bringing all of those elements together for your enterprise success.
At Collectiv, we specialize in Fabric and Azure for your data architecture, Power BI and Synapse for your data analytics, and Copilot for all your AI initiatives. If you're looking to build your enterprise data architecture, these are the tools that are going to get you there.
We help our clients on their data journey from the beginning to the end, whether that be adopting or migrating to Microsoft Power BI or Azure, all the way to the end to doing end user training, and we do everything in between.
We have a wide array of experience and expertise all across the Microsoft tech stack. Our experience is above all others out there in the industry. We've seen it come from its adolescence all the way to where the technology is at today. If you're ready to make immediate and lasting improvements across data architecture, analytics, and AI, Collectiv is ready to partner with you along the journey.